Hello! Thank you so much to come into my world. So guys, today is such a beautiful day! This is my studio where it's my world, it's my imagination, and my lovely husband, he's helped me to create this studio how I like. So let's start and go have a look all around. Organized now, it's completely beautiful organized. This is my pasta machine. As you know, without the pasta machine is no life for polymer clay. So here I keep all my this is all equipment which I use for decoration my doll dresses, because I like to be everything organized and in hand, and very useful if you guys try to keep organized your office or your studio. Try to get those because they're amazing, and I glue it there on the wall. I glue it and it's very safe to be there. So this is all my ribbons I keep for I love those, they're so beautiful, they're absolutely beautiful, all of those. So if you see, can you see those? Yeah, I love those, they're absolutely beautiful. Those I mostly time use for creating my belly dance. Unfortunately you can't get them nowadays. I didn't see any shops they're selling. This is I bought like a 3 or 4 years ago, and like a full pack, and I keep using it, and they're amazing for decoration. So this is my table, all my stuff which I create, like this awful tiny thing which I create, my tools, my computer, and this is a holder. It's amazing holder, guys, if you want to use for this is I'm using at the moment my phone for TikTok. Yeah, I have 1.5 million views at the moment, which I'm happy about this. You can change this and put your camera here. It's not a big deal, it's really good, and you can just change anything you like. This I created myself. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. This is my beautiful lamp, which is absolutely amazing, absolutely beautiful. I show you guys how to create those, how to create this hobby lamp, how that I call my imaginary lamp. So mostly time I keep my paints here. If you see, this is my paints, and this is all my little thing like for creation, like the flowers and the feathers, wherever you like. Here, all my hairs, I keep all my hairs. This is viscose hair. Viscose hair. This is viscose hair. And this is lamb hair. Keep it those. This is as well the lamb. On this bag, I keep all little pieces separately. Okay, guys. For that, and here I keep beads as well. All the beads. I put all here too. It's really good for creating my doll dress decoration. Here, guys, I keep all my clays. I remember you need to keep this clay all the time very well packed, otherwise they get dry. And here I'm open clays. Open place, and as you can see, there's a few more, and I have this one as well. Sometimes I use for base. This one is really good clay actually. It will dry after a couple hours. It's very strong. I would recommend if you create some base, something like that. And this is mixed clay. I mix. On one of my video I show you how I mix the clay, because you need to mix the clay. And this is everything what I keep for everyday creation. Here I keep my note, which I do notes. This one is my translator, very tiny translator, my magnifying glass. So these my tools all here, if you see. Oh, it's Bobby here, he's lovely Bobby. So this fireplace he updated as well, my lovely husband. So on my studio I have not only my dolls, which I just sometimes I leave for myself, and also I have from artists, beautiful artists. I will leave a link under my video. This is from Yulia. She's a Russian artist. She created a doll, and I'm slowly collecting a lot of dolls, to be honest, because I love dolls. Hopefully I will collect a lot of dolls from a lot of beautiful artists, which I know from Instagram. And here, this is from beautiful artists as well. It's cute, isn't it? Kitty, say hello. This is my friend. Yes. Misha, Niskolosik. It's so cute, isn't it? So adorable. And all the artists which you will see here, I have this one as well from beautiful artists, and I ordered it from Instagram. And here I have beautiful cute Lily. If you see, I have plenty of these crochet bears, teddy bears, and this is from beautiful artists as well. She's an amazing artist, but she creates tiny, so cute, adorable, absolutely adorable. I love them. They're so cute. Okay. Hey, what's that? She's adorable. She goes with me everywhere. I'm gonna leave a link on Instagram. If you're interested, you can just contact the doll makers and they will reply to you. So guys, this is my camera bag. If you see, I have all the lenses, all this equipment, because I love to take photos as well. And one thing I want to say, thank you so much guys for watching my video, and just believe in yourself and love yourself and be yourself. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye for now.